foldable design that takes 3 seconds to collapse. Rundeer's battery constitutes 1/3 of the total cost of the vehicle. It uses a premium battery cell material as the global standard to achieve 35% more performance than ordinary batteries and costs twice as much as ordinary batteries. As a result, the performance is more secure and reliable. Battery warranty extended to 2 years. Any problem with the battery will be replaced within that time period. An aluminum alloy forging process of high cost for high strength, beautiful appearance, and resistance to braking. 20-inch x 4.0 fat tires. Speeds range from 26 to 32 miles per hour with a powerful 750-watt motor. With full suspension, you'll have more comfort on uneven surfaces. Unparalleled waterproof cables prevent short-circuit accidents due to water. Shimano 7-speed system with hydraulic braking. You'll feel like you're driving a luxury car.